Forest River Surveyor 240. It's located at Bama RV in Dothan, Alabama. It's BamaRV.com. It has a power awning, fiberglass exterior that has a Lamilux 1000 gel coat, 6-sided aluminum framed, and all 6 sides are laminated. Outside kitchen area has a refrigerator, 2-burner stove, and also comes with a freestanding stainless steel grill. And then you also have aluminum wheels, you'll notice. You'll notice the kitchen is in the slide room. Nice sized kitchen with a double door gas electric refrigerator. You have a U-shaped dinette, easy fold table, very spacious bathroom with tons of storage. There is more storage back behind me, along with a glass enclosed shower. You'll see it does have a walk-around queen-size bed, built-in entertainment center, comes with a 19-inch TV that will install, that swivels, and a built-in DVD player. And just to recap, that is a brand new 2011 Forest River Surveyor 240, weighing in at only 4,400 pounds, and it is located at Bama RV, Dothan, Alabama. We are the lightweight camper specialist, www.bamarv.com.